Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have a makeup mystery box. This is from Poshmark. You heard me right. A few months ago, I said I am never going to put anything from Poshmark on my channel again. So if you want to see why did I choose to put Poshmark and go back onto my word and what is inside of this $30 mystery makeup box, then keep on watching. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the backstory of Poshmark, just in case you don't know. So a few months ago, I ordered a makeup mystery box for $100. I paid for it. It was not sent to me, and it was guaranteed to have at least $200 worth of value, and it was supposed to be everything high-end. Well, it was not. And I don't even think, well, it wasn't even high-end except for one Fenty Beauty thing, but the rest was all from Sephora brand, and everything came to, I don't even think the $100 that I paid for. So when I did, how do you say, not report it, but try to ask for a refund for Poshmark, the seller flagged my thing through YouTube, said that because I made a video, she suggested that either me or one of my subscribers vandalized her business. I mean, it was this whole big thing. And Poshmark didn't refund me the money and said that that's what mystery boxes are for. You get what is kind of like whatever, you know? So I was so upset that I was like, I'll never do Poshmark again. I will leave that video down below. Make sure you check that out after this video to see, you know, my video and your thoughts of what, you know, did I do anything wrong? Let me know down below. Anywho, so one of you guys, you know, you guys are family. I always call you my family. So one of you guys reached out to me and you have been following me for so long. I was like, I mean, you've supported me for so long, I have to support you back. So I will leave her seller, her closet, everything down below. And this is one of her $30 makeup mystery boxes. Now, I did tell her, and she can verify, I said, please send me a box that you will send to everybody else. In other words, don't, you know, favoritism me or however you say it. Like, I want, if anybody, any of one of you guys bought this, this is something that you guys would get. You know what I mean? Because I do know sometimes YouTubers get better things, right? So she did promise me that, and she also said that her $30 boxes are really not high-end, they're mid-ranges, which is to be expected, and I liked her honesty. So that's why I decided to open this up on our channel. Anyway, that was the longest intro, so let's just open her up. If you can see, I haven't even took the tape off or anything, so I'm really excited. All right, so when you first open it up, there is a sticker here. It says, ladies, keep your head up. The only reason why a woman should ever look down is to show off her eyeshadow. Amen. And then there's a lot of stickers, inspiring notes. I like that as well. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's packaged really, really nice. There is a free gift. So this is the free gift. Let me turn you down a little bit. All right, so this is the free gift, and then let me show you what I see. Right there is a little sneak peek. All right, so this says shine, pop open here. Oh, that's so cute. All right, let's see what the free gift is. Oh, that's too funny. So this is the Juvia's makeup bag. Do you want to know why I'm kind of excited? So I have a Juvia's makeup mystery box unboxing, and I also gave everything away. And I was like, oh, and this was so pretty. So I am kind of glad that I did get this, so that way I have my bag. And it feels like there's something in here, so let's see. Ew. Okay. So the first thing in here is from Tula Skincare. This is a hydro gel mask. Alrighty, yes. And then you have a few things in here. I love the fact that everything is wrapped up. I like that because it's kind of like Christmas, you know? So this is the first thing. All right, and this is an eyeliner, and let's see, Makeup Obsession, and it is a black eyeliner. Alrighty, so we have that. And we have this. And this is from NYX. This is a Bear With Me. What you be? Oh, a lip conditioner. Ooh. And I like stuff like this, especially in the winter time. All right, so then we have another one. All right, so this is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a lip liner. If I can get it open. I love lip liners. I wear lip liners every day. That's gorgeous. That's definitely right up my alley. That's definitely my color. Ooh, that's really pretty. All right, so we have that. And then the last thing is something in a tube. And this is from Tarte, Clean Queen hand sanitizer. We can always use some hand sanitizer. All right, so that is our free gifts. I'm gonna put everything back inside. All right, so then we have this that says open last, and usually that tells you what everything is in here and the prices. We have a card here. Let's see. And it says, thanks. It says, Anne, spelled the right way, spelled the right way. My middle name is Anne. Oh, okay, because I have an E. I spell my name A-N-N-E, and a lot of people always like say A-N-N. So because my name is spelled A-N-N-E, sometimes a lot of people say Annie, you know? And it says, thank you so much. Okay, so what this is saying is like her heart dropped when she seen what happened with that Poshmark unboxing, what inspired? No, not inspired. What is the word I'm looking for? I don't know. But, you know, stuff like that. And she's saying that there are honest sellers on Poshmark. I do believe that as well. But, you know, I was a little pissed off. All right. So then we have this right here. Everything is packaged really nice. Well, not packaged. It's like wrapped really nice and everything. And I think that is so nice. I actually like this. It's tissue paper. I think it's really pretty. All right, so let's see. Now, I'm not expecting a lot because, I mean, this was only $30, you know? So with mystery boxes, I'm happy if I get my $30 worth, you know, if I was paying for it. But when you advertise something to be a certain price and then you don't get it, that's what makes me upset, you know? I'd rather I'm not even, like, you know, say anything. All right, so this is from Pixie. This is an eye palette. I don't have anything really from Pixie, except for like if we get something in Ipsy or something like that, like lipstick. Oh, this is so nice. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, let me open her up. This is in, it says double tap. That took me forever to get that open. All right, so that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. This is the back. Oh, I'm excited to play around with this. What in the world? Okay. All right, so those are the colors. Really, really pretty. Ew. Okay, so let's do some swatches. Oh, the mattes feel really good. Okay, so here's just a couple mattes. All right, so that's just going in one at a time. Very pretty. And let's do a couple shimmers. And there are just 3 shimmers that I just picked. Right there. This is really pretty. Like, definitely my colors. I am a warm tone type of girl, but I'm really getting into like cool tone colors. I can't believe it. From ColourPop, they have that like stone cold palette. I'm really thinking about getting. And I never thought I would ever say I want cool tone eyeshadows. Okay, so then we have this. It's like Christmas. Oh, okay, so this is from Honest Beauty, and I don't have anything from Honest Beauty. This is a powder blush. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. What shade is this? Flirty. All right, so that's what she looks like. Very, very pretty. There's the back. It just says flirty. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a satin. Okay, let's see. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Another thing that's starting to change for me. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's right here. I don't know what you're going to be able to see. Let me go in with another thing. Let me build it up. That way you can see it a little bit more. Okay, so it's right there. It's like a pink color. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I like that. When I first started wearing makeup, I just liked matte, like matte blushes, matte bronzers. And as I'm aging, I notice I still like the matte, but I'm liking the satin blushes and bronzers as well. So I'm really excited to get this. All right, so then we have this puppy. So then we have a Winky Lux lip gloss. This is gorgeous. You guys know I love me some lip gloss. It looks like it has some shimmer to it. Very beautiful. Ooh, it's like a duochrome lip gloss. Oh, that's gorgeous. I mean, it's really, in the packaging is really pretty too. I wish they made like this shade like in a eyeshadow. Wow, look at that. Let me turn you down. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is just gorgeous. Oh, that's so opaque and beautiful. You put some on my lips, if I don't say so myself. I'm using the camera to put it on, so I don't even know how it looks. Let me find a mirror. All right, I don't know how it looks, but I can't get over how beautiful this is. This is really nice. Okay, what else we got? Okay, so we have two more things. So we have this. Oh my God, I actually love this. So this is a NYX eyeliner. Now you guys know, maybe you don't know, but my favorite eyeliner to put on my waterline, I'm actually wearing one today. It's like a blue color. I don't remember the shade name, but I love the NYX eyeliners. They're like my favorite, and I dropped it again. Hold the phone. All right, let me open her up so we could do a swatch. I'm dropping a lot of things. I have carpal tunnel, and I notice it's getting worse lately. Like, I'm just dropping things a lot, you know? My hand, like, just goes numb. All right, what shade is this? Turquoise Storm. Ooh, and turquoise is my favorite color. That's really pretty. Let's see. That is gorgeous right there. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. My next makeup look, I'm definitely using this. And it's the same creamy formula. I really like the NYX eyeliners. All right, and this is last but not least. All right, so this is from the Creme Shop, and this is a lipstick right there. What shade you be? Girls Night Out. I cannot wait till this COVID stuff is over and like have a girls night out. I cannot wait. I've never tried any makeup products from the Creme Shop. Oh, that's pretty. It's a matte lipstick. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, God, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. All right. So let's go over, let's recap everything that you can get in a $30 mystery box. Almost dropped that again. All right, so we have the lipstick. We have a beautiful eyeliner. I mean, gorgeous. Probably my favorite thing. We have this beautiful lip gloss. I mean, it's really gorgeous. We have a blush from Honest Beauty. Yes. We have an eyeshadow palette. So that would be everything that you would get in the $30 mystery box. And then you always get a free gift. So I got this bag right here. What a coincidence that I put it in a giveaway and I got it back. So in the free gift, then you got this sheet mask from Tula. You got a hand sanitizer, which I'm really excited about. You can never have enough hand sanitizer. You have a lip liner. You have, what was this again? Oh, lipstick, like an oil. And then you have a black eyeliner. Like, this is really, really good. Really good. I definitely recommend this. And like I said, I told her, make sure you give me something that you would give to everybody. So like I said, I'll leave everything, all her information down below. Let me know what you think of it. I think it was a really good box for $30. Like, I really do. And I love the fact that she was honest and said, listen, I just do like mid-range items. She doesn't do high-end items in her $30 box. And I rather have that, have drugstore stuff or mid-range and get more things and, you know, than like one or two high-end things. Do you know what I mean? I really, really like this. So thank you so much for getting my belief back in Poshmark. I really appreciate you sending this to me. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this mystery box. All right, guys, that is everything. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out, so I really appreciate it. It only takes a second. If you like this makeup mystery box and if you think it was worth $30, please give this video a like. Yeah, and that's everything, guys. If you like unboxings, mystery boxes, subscription boxes, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification box. Make sure, what am I saying? Let me try that again. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. There we go. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. Make sure you double tap it and that it's on all. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, this is really, really good. Like, I am impressed. All right.